Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making a simple and delicious chia pudding parfait. Here's what you'll need. First, measure out 1/3 cup chia seeds. Chia seeds are all the rage these days, and for good reason. They are superfoods widely recognized for their high omega-3, calcium, and antioxidant content. Next up, add 1 full cup of your favorite non-dairy milk. Here we're using almond milk, but coconut and soy milk also work wonderfully. Now to add some flavor. I recommend adding vanilla extract, but you can also add almonds or any other flavoring that you'd like. To sweeten up our chia pudding, we'll be adding 3 teaspoons of agave nectar, but you can also use maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice. Now just mix it up really well and you'll be ready to pop it in the refrigerator. You'll want to leave it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight because that gives the chia seeds a chance to absorb the moisture and become thick and gelatinous and pudding-like. When you pull it out of the refrigerator, mix it up and you've got yourself chia pudding. Now's the fun part. You can add any toppings that you'd like. I liked adding strawberries and bananas and chocolate sauce. When you're looking for a filling, nutritious, and delicious treat, chia pudding has you covered. It's easy to make and fun to turn into a creative build-your-own parfait by adding toppings like fresh fruit, dried fruit, and chocolate chips. Thanks for watching! For more videos, tips, and recipes, click subscribe and visit vegan.com.